Hi guys, a very good morning and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network, and we are taking a look on something very critical and very important raised by Killer Zivhu. What we have to agree and understand is that honestly where we are going, nobody can predict, understand and know what is going to happen. Zivhu says, wonders never cease. We are headed for rough landing, unknown outcomes, but one thing's certain: blood will spill on the rocky surface ahead. Let us take a look onto what he's saying. I know that a lot of people will take this as a random jab, but in my own view, Killer Zivhu is meaning what he's saying. Let us explore. We have to understand that what is happening at this point in time, nobody is in control of the situation. Mnangagwa is shuffling his security details left, right, and center. He's removing that one there, put him there, remove that one there, and put him there. Nobody can be trusted in ZANU-PF. A lot of hacking of phone calls is happening, hijacking of other people's conversations is happening. A lot. Mnangagwa is telling us of all sorts of stories at the offices, at the homes, etc. Things are not well. The opposition is not known what they are going to do. Nelson Chamisa is becoming more unpredictable as each day passes. If he says people get into the streets, people will go into the streets, but nobody knows when, how he's going to do it. That is a very scary moment for Emmerson Mnangagwa. The military is divided, disintegrated, and not working together. The police, the same. The CIO, the same. False reports are being given to the president. He's failing. So if you are taking a look on what's happening, then nobody knows the outcomes of the processes happening in the nation Zimbabwe anymore. No one can be trusted, and it's becoming difficult to maneuver in the political terrains in Zimbabwe. So I know that a lot of people will dismiss this talk by Killer Zivhu, but there is an element of truthness in it. The reason why Killer Zivhu was brought back is because he was making more harm outside than within. Within, he can be manageable, but outside, then it's a problem. G40 is another threat. There are factions within ZANU-PF, Chiwenga faction, the G40 faction, Mnangagwa faction, etc., etc. All those are problems faced by Emmerson Mnangagwa. The military is divided, everybody is divided. In the opposition, there are so many attempts to hijack projects of the opposition, particularly dealing with the issues of protest. We saw it happening in Botswana. We saw another attempt in Zambia again. Why? It's because everybody is trying by all means possible to be in the limelight, to be ahead, to be the person of the people, to be the best person of the people. Nelson Chamisa is being fought left, right, and center, including comrades within the opposition. They are fighting him. All these issues, they can't be ignored. But one thing we need to agree is where Emmerson Mnangagwa is taking this country, he is taking this country towards a disaster. If he doesn't correct this thing, then we're in trouble. So this is what is happening at this point in time. It can't be ignored at all. I know that we have differences here and there, but we can't ignore whatever which is happening in the politics of Zimbabwe. Let me tell you this. Some of the signs of the end of this regime are now visible. The end signs are now visible. All the exposés of corruption and everything else. Never think kuti zvinhu zvasina vigwa. These are hidden things which will never be known by an ordinary person. But there are ways which are making these things come to light because God is on the move. So let us continue to pray. Let us continue to work for a better Zimbabwe.